Guys, welcome. Time to roll out recipe number 1 on this show that we have titled Snacks, Snacks and More Snacks, because snacks is life. I don't know about you, but if there are no snacks in the house, I get jittery. So snacks is very important to me. I need to know that there are snacks that I can call on. So I just kind of pulled together a nice little spicy dip that I'll tell you what I did there and how we're going to deal with that in just a bit. But let me show you. I mean, very easy to pull together snacks. And not all the time when you're feeling for a snack, you want to open a pack or a bottle and, you know, that's easy. But sometimes you're feeling to create a nice little, you know, home-cooked kind of snack. Chicken nuggets are so easy to make that it's ridiculous almost. You can just literally chop up some chicken breasts. You got to use some chicken breasts. If you use chicken thighs, you can. Chicken breasts, I think, are just the right type of meat to use for chicken nuggets. Chop it up, salt, pepper. I have some green seasonings in there, fresh seasonings, and that's it. How I do mine is that I have a resealable bag, one of those nice heavy resealable bags, and I add a little breading to mine. Now you can go crazy with this breading, but these chicken nuggets, courtesy the folks at Dairy Powdered Milk, I am using the low-fat powder milk. You're doing chicken nuggets, so you use Dairy low-fat powder milk, the milky milk, just to make sure that it's nice and creamy. So I get my Dairy Powdered Milk in there. That's going to give it that real nice eccentric sort of taste that you're looking for. I have some Panko Breadcrumbs adding in there, and then some Parmesan cheese. I'm going to season this guy up now. So I have some oregano. I'm kind of calling this an Italian kind of flavored chicken nuggets. I have some paprika. And just a little quick pinch of salt and pepper. So I seal that up and I get that all mixed up in there. Kind of mix everything together. That's it. So this is your breading. And as I said, you can season this up with any sort of herbs and spices that you have in your kitchen. At this stage, I am taking my chicken pieces and just adding it straight in here. When you season it up, actually, what I did is that I took some vegetable oil after seasoning and kind of just coated the chicken. That just ensures when you do this little step that all the chicken pieces will be coated nicely. So once again, you seal up and you toss around and make sure every piece of chicken is coated in this wonderful little nice breaded mixture. At this stage, guys, you have a nice hot frying pan with some oil. I'm doing more or less what you kind of call a shallow fry. And I really just want to just place my nuggets there. In this oil, it'll take no more than just about 5 minutes or so, these size nuggets that I did here, to cook up nicely. So I think that's just good enough for this size pan. Always a good trick when you're doing dishes like this in frying in oil. You want to have a nice bit of tissue to dot and drain any excess oil that may come out. So you can just actually start showing how nice and toasty it's getting here, flipping this nicely. So this is just about 5 minutes, guys. You got to kind of watch it, medium heat. And once it gets nice and toasty and brown like this, it's time to start taking him out. But you got to allow the chicken to cook, so it's nice medium heat. You don't want the oil overly hot. And you have chicken nuggets just like that. Just to get it and make it look all fancy and nice. As I told you about that dip that I had. So I just really want to take my nuggets out here once the excess oil comes off and plate it up like this. It really does smell good. Nice breaded. And as I said, when people ask, well, what is that in these nuggets? It's the Dairy Powdered Milk that really is giving it that little extra zing, creamy bite that you're looking for. Nuggets better than this. Anything better than that, as they say, spoil. My Italian flavored chicken nuggets, guys. in a nice little spicy dip. It's snack time. And this is one you can try at home for the kids. It's great. Come on back, guys. It's snack time, home sweet home, right here with me.